More than 1 million homes are sold every year in England and Wales. The market is healthy and active, supported by a government that has pledged to build more homes, ensuring these numbers are set to rise. However, despite this, research has demonstrated that the process of buying or selling a home is basically unfit for purpose and one of the most stressful experiences we encounter in our adult lives. But why? Well, there are a number of compounding reasons. The most overwhelming complaint by consumers is that the process takes far too long and lacks the necessary communication and transparency. These basic failures alone cause over 25% of transactions to fail. These problems exist because every property transaction in England and Wales is still conducted through an antiquated, paper-based conveyancing system. The industry has failed to digitize and move in line with the wider aspects of e-commerce. However, it's time for change. Vaco are about to set the benchmark with their unique, first-to-market, disruptive and compelling electronic conveyancing technology platform, designed to transform the way people buy, sell, and remortgage their residential properties in England and Wales. Vaco's Secure Property Interchange is a fully digital, consumer-focused, free conveyancing platform that will eradicate fraud and make home buying faster, cheaper, less stressful, and totally transparent. Welcome to Vaco. Smart Property Conveyancing.